It's me, Nod from the planet Nerd. Mitt Romney say that 47% of voters is deadbeat welfare cheats who will vote for President Obama no matter what. Since 47% of everybody is voting for Obama because they are Democrats, this proves that Democrats is all Muslim terrorist panty sniffers. Republicans are sure that Mitt will win because he have the kind of brains what will attract the 5% of independent voters what is zombies. Nobody else matter to Republicans but the zombie vote. Mitt promised a deep, fat, fried brain in a pot for every zombie who vote for him. And if that's not enough, deep, fat, fried lady fingers for dessert. I made that up for Halloween. Of course, a little bit early.